How to bind Google Authenticator to Bybit. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can bind Google Authenticator to Bybit. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to install the Google Authenticator application on your mobile device. If you don't have it yet, you have to install from the Google Play Store. So open up Google Play Store, search for Google Authenticator and install it in your device. Once you have successfully installed the Google Authenticator, now you have to open up Bybit application in your device and make sure that you are logged in with your Bybit account. Once you're logged in and if you land on your home page, now tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and from here tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you land on your settings page, there is an option for security. Tap on it. Scroll down a bit and then there is an option for Google two-factor authentication. Tap on it and turn on the toggle. Again, you have to verify your identity, where you will receive the verification code on your Gmail. So you have to check your Gmail and search for the security code and type in the code in this text box. Now once you're verified, you will see it says please install Google Authenticator application in your phone. Then tap on continue. Once you do that, Bybit will show you a QR and a 16-digit backup key. Then you have to copy the key, or you can simply scan the QR displayed on the Bybit by your Google Authenticator application, or simply copy the 16-digit backup key which is displayed by Bybit. Once you copy the key, now you have to go back to the Google Authenticator and there you have to type in the key along with its name. After that, Google Authenticator application will generate 6-digit code for your Bybit every second. Enter that code into the Bybit to complete the binding. Once you have entered the correct code on the Bybit application, now your Bybit account is protected with Google Authenticator. So from now, whenever you try to log in or withdraw or change any settings, Bybit will ask you for the 6-digit code from the Authenticator application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.